This is what we call our investor pipeline, and it's found here under sales and then deals. Eventually you would have multiple pipelines, but for now we only have the one. Here we've created a project record called ChemTool, so this is a lead, and the inquiry has been received, and we're going to share this lead with our regional partners. Once the regional partners indicate an interest, we will move this to the next stage by dragging it from the left to the right. Furthermore, after we've collected responses from our local partners, we're going to submit those RFI responses to your investor ChemTool, and we will now know that the project is in this stage. After ChemTool returns and says, hey, we'd like to look at these two regions, then we will move this into the discovery or tour phase. And as we go along, we'll move into negotiations and then ultimately to a win. I know you never lose projects, but if by some reason that should happen, we would move it to the final stage lost. Or if ChemTool puts the brakes on and puts this on hold, we would move this to a status of hold. Once it moves out of hold, we'll drag it back to its correct stage. By clicking on the record, you can see all the details about that particular project. Project type, CapEx, jobs, hourly wage, and so on.